What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. I'm just coming back from flagship. As you guys know, as I explained to you not too long ago, that I'm driving this vehicle to work every day, and there's a gravel road that I'm taking that's keeping this car pretty dirty. I wish I took before photo, because this week around it was very dirty though. Last week wasn't too bad because it actually rained, so it kept some of that dust on the ground, but this week is very hot. Like right now it says is what's the temperature? It says it's 86, but it's actually more than that though. I believe it's around, well, it's not more than that. We're supposed to reach 98 at 3 p.m. today, so yeah, man. So anyways, let me try to go through. Let me see if I can go through. Let me see if I can go through. All right. The guy's cool. Anyways, yeah. So technically, the car was pretty dirty though, and I just wanted to thank you guys a lot for your comments on the last video. I do not take that for granted at all, and you know, the fact that you guys went in the comments and told me how it's best to keep this car though, I totally agree with you guys. You guys 100%. I'm also not telling you guys something that's supposed to happen by the end of this year, which also triggered to see if I can sell the car or get rid of the car, get an SUV. But it's not that I'm hiding from you guys. Well, technically I am, but I'll rather tell you guys towards the end of the year, or probably around September, August. It's definitely another reason why I want to get rid of the car though. But based on what your comments came up on the last video, I am going to keep the car unless something else happens. Unless there's a major repair that's going to cost a lot of money that doesn't make sense, then I'll probably get rid of it then. But for now, I'm keeping it. I'll try to figure out a way where I can get another car. I'm not even opposed to getting a van, a Sienna van. I did see one. I believe it was a 2012 or so though. It's going for like $3 grand, $4 grand. I've never been a van guy though, but hey, you know, it makes sense to get something like that. It's still a Toyota, so I'm not opposed to any of that either. So I think within the next couple months, if not this weekend, I'll probably try to get another vehicle though. The main thing also I was trying to avoid is having 4 cars. 4 cars is a little extreme for us because it's just me and my wife. The Subaru doesn't get driven a lot, and I don't know if you guys know though, but we moved out, so the Subaru used to be in the garage. I no longer have a garage anymore, so it's sitting outside. So I'm not a big fan of that either though, so I'll be looking for a garage for it to go in. So I just feel like several cars it kind of gets hard to maintain all them or keep track on them, you know. But the 4th car will be a beater car. It won't be 100% beater car. It will still be a decent car. Like I said, I saw that Sienna. I've tried to stay away from American cars like Silverado, Chevy, but those are going for a good price too, and I might just get it too. So we'll see. Every option right now is open. I'll still rather stay with a Toyota, Lexus. It's funny, I haven't even looked at Hondas yet. That just shows how much I don't care about Hondas or Acuras. It's so weird, but I guess I'm just loyal to Toyota, Lexus, and Subaru. So yeah, man. So thanks again, appreciate it though. So I am gonna keep the car, and I'll keep you guys updated on the next move. Another car that sparked interest on me is Mercedes-Benz E300, the E series, I guess, right? That's what you call it. I really love that car though, and they're going for cheap. I believe somebody even said that is the Camry of Mercedes-Benz. It's a reliable vehicle, so I would love to get that too, but then I guess I'll probably fall in love with it and maybe not feel like driving it in the dirt road. So yeah, let me just contain myself a little bit and behave myself and just stick with what my plan is. It could be a van, Chevy Suburban, something, you know, so it could be anything. Be quiet, that way you guys can hear how smooth the car is. For those that are familiar with Germantown, you probably know where this place is. But this is where I moved back I actually used to live here probably about 6 years ago before I moved out to the other place, which is just a mile away from here. Now I'm back here. We're still in the process of trying to figure out if we want to buy a house here or settle down in Maryland. I have been in Maryland for a while. My wife comes from Nebraska, so she's kind of used to that life out there in Nebraska. So out here is a little bit too wild for her. So trying to figure out what we want to do. So we'll see. I like Maryland. I mean, I don't see an issue with Maryland at all. Cost of living here is quite expensive. So that's another thing. And like I say, we have an announcement we need to make by the end of the year. But I'll probably keep you guys posted on that. Probably around September, October, and then so that you guys can know the real truth also why I want to get rid of the car, because there's a couple things, not just one thing. So yeah, but our main goal with this car, for those new subscribers that I just subscribed, is to reach 500,000 miles on it. Is that possible? Of course, yes, it's possible. Just have to make sure that this car is well maintained. Like right now when I wash the car, I make sure I also wash the underneath, so the underneath is nice and tidy. So I didn't just do the outside though. So yeah, I did quite everything. So yep. So anyways, you guys gonna see the Subaru outside. I do feel bad for that car, man. That car had a garage and now it's outside. Like I said, I will be looking into getting a I will look into getting a what do you call it, a garage soon. So we'll see.